This is the Canon in D lesson, part 2. In the first one, we played the chord progression using the picking pattern 4, 3, 2, 1. In this one, section 2, we're going to approach it a bit differently. Our picking pattern is going to be 1, 3, 2, 1, and then I'll show you a variation as well, and our chords will be different. Okay, I'm going to approach them all as 3 string chords. My D chord will be 2, 2, 5. My A chord will be 4, 5, 4. B minor will be all 2s. F sharp minor, I'm going to make the whole thing. It's the same one as the first video, 2, 1, 2. My G chord, 2, 3, 2. I shift my pointer finger back a little tiny bit and make my D chord this way because I'm going right back to my D chord. Pardon me, my G chord, and now my A. Now, I played this with my fingers like this, but you know from other videos that you've watched me with that I suggest a variety of different ways that you could play. So let's just do that right now. So in terms of fingers, you could have a full plant, one assigned to each string. Maybe you want to have this option, thumb and 2 fingers. I'll hold my ukulele up closer to the screen so you can look. So thumb and 2 fingers. Maybe you go right, or like this. That's okay. Maybe you go like this. For this this section, it's pretty forgiving, you know, but I would encourage you to work on getting comfortable with using all your fingers. All right, so we did the picking pattern 1, 3, 2, 1, but let's try this now. Let's do a strum. Instead of just the picking the string 1, we'll do a strum 3, 2, 1. Hear how that sounds? They're so beautiful. Okay, so I am going to actually pluck it with my fingers. Okay, is what I'm going to do. Okay, here we go on our D. So strum or pluck. I'll just say strum. Strum 3, 2, 1. Now to A. Strum 3, 2, 1, B minor. Making the full F sharp minor. Shift up to my 3rd fret to start making my G chord there. Pointer finger slides back a little bit. Fingers land for my D. Back to my G. To my A. Okay, did you hear that? I went from G. Okay, that's called glissando. What I did was I just kept the pressure down. I didn't lift off my fingers off the fretboard. So I get that sliding sound. And then when I got up here, see how I wiggle everything? That took me a long time to be able to do that, but it's vibrato on 3 strings. Start off like this. Get one finger going. I found middle finger was easiest for me to get that vibrato-y sound. And then once you can do that, you can start adding extra fingers. And a wiggle away. All right, now I'm going to play that chord progression the 2 different ways and just play along with me. Okay? All picking. Here we go. 1, 3, 2, 1. played the full bar chord there to end that part off. So I went triple 2 5. We learned 2 different picking patterns today. So 1 3 2 1, and then strum 3 2 1. They're beautiful to play. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to help me make more videos like this for you. Bye for now.